Students, today we are going to see types of maps, then scale, signs and symbols, and directions. Then your first heading is type of maps. Then there have two types of maps, political and physical map. The political maps depict political boundaries of countries, states, and districts. Then the physical map depicts landforms and water bodies like mountains, then plateaus, plains, valleys, rivers, seas, and oceans. Okay, there have two types of map, and also there have special maps. They show rainfall, vegetation, hills and mountains, then rivers, oceans, ocean currents, railways, and roadways, etc. Okay, there have a main two types of maps. First is political and second one is physical map. Okay, this is the political map of India. There you can see boundaries of states, then districts, everything. Okay, and this is the map of physical features. There you can see desert, then Himalayan region, then Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats, then Deccan Plateau. So then there Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, everything you can see there. Okay, this map shown these features. So this is the physical map or physical features we can see there. Okay, then signs and symbols, that is your next heading. It is difficult as well as inconvenient to the use of the pictures of monuments, rivers, mountains, etc. on the map. So we use signs and symbols to represent them on the map. These signs and symbols are called the language of map. For example, rivers, roadways, railways, temples and schools are all marked by a sign or a symbol on a map. These signs and symbols are also known as the conventional signs and symbols. Maps contain keys that helps us understand these symbols. Conventional symbols means that it's a symbol that is widely accepted interpretation. Okay, worldwide we are using same symbols only. Okay, you can see the right side of the picture how the church shown there. In order to denote the church, they show, you can see there one picture of the church, then the temple, another symbol is there, then the mosque we have got another symbol, then well and water tanks shows in blue color, well is in round shape, then a railway straight line with a small cross line. Okay, you can see that these are the signs and symbols. Then a conventional symbol is a symbol that is widely accepted. These signs and symbols are conventional signs and symbols, and it's also known as conventional signs and symbols. Then colors on a map. Apart from signs and symbols, different colors are used to represent different landforms and water bodies on the map. For example, plains are represented in green color, then desert in yellow color, then while mountains and highlands are represented in brown, then oceans are represented in shades of blue. You can see there Arabian Sea, then Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and it represented in shades of blue color. Then plains, you can see upside there northern plains, that is in green color. Then desert, that Thar desert, that's in Rajasthan, in a yellow color. Okay, then next one is directions and scale. Directions play an important role in locating a place on the map. While locating a place, we sometimes move forward and sometimes backward. Sometimes we move to the left and other times to the right. We need to move in the correct direction. Directions are very important to study maps. There are 4 main directions on a map: north, south, east and west. Okay, top of the map is north, then bottom of the map is south, then to our right is east, then to our left is west. Then apart from the main directions, there are 4 sub-directions. There have four main directions. They are north, south, east, and west. And also they have four sub directions. Northeast between north and east. Then southeast between south and east. Then southwest between south and west. Then northwest is between north and west. You can see there north, then south, east, and west. Then arrows pointing towards different directions help us locate a place. Then there you can see top of the map north, then bottom south, then right side east, then left side west. Okay, then here also you can see north, south, east, and west. Then next is a scale. Look at the map carefully. You can see a small ruler like symbol on the maps. It is called scale. Okay, carefully you can see in a map a ruler like a symbol on the map. This is called the scale. Usually the scale is used in a map, maybe in the left side like a ruler. It is known as the scale. Why do we use scale on a map? It is not possible to show actual distances between places on maps. Therefore, they are represented by a smaller unit on the map. A scale is a ratio between the distance on the map and the real distance on the ground. And we know that we cannot represent the exact distance on the ground on the map. So we used some proportions. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to in a map, maybe is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. That ratio is used. So with the help of scale, we can find the exact distance on the ground by calculating distance on the map. Okay. So it is not possible to show actual distance between places on the map. Therefore, they are represented by a smaller unit on the map. A scale is the ratio between the distance on the map and the real distance on the ground. Okay, on the bottom left hand corner of the map you can see the scale. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.